Good morning, students. So from this lecture, we are going to start our new chapter, that is Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, and this particular theorem, Pythagoras Theorem, it is not new for you. Okay, we have been studying this particular theorem since 7th standard. So before going deep to the chapter, we will have some prerequisite of this particular lesson. Okay, so what is Pythagoras theorem? We know that in any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So suppose there is a right angle triangle, okay, ABC, where angle B is 90 degree. Okay, in that case, the square of the hypotenuse, that is in AC is the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? It is the side opposite to 90 degree in a right angled triangle. Okay, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is nothing but the theorem of Pythagoras, which is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is Pythagoras theorem? Square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides in a right angled triangle. Okay, this we have studied, and you must know this particular formula properly. Hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus other side square. One side square plus other side square. Okay, now another point is Pythagorean triplet. So what is Pythagorean triplet? Okay, suppose there are three numbers. Let me take those numbers as small a, small b, and small c. There are three numbers, and I will consider that a is the largest. A is bigger than b and c. Okay, a is bigger than b and c. Okay, let us take that a is bigger than b and c. So in such a case, if the square of a is equal to the sum of square of b and square of c, that is sum of the squares of other numbers, then these three numbers will be form a pair of triplet, will be forming a pair of triplet, which is called as Pythagorean triplet. Suppose तीन नंबर है और तीनों नंबर का जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर होगा, तीनों नंबर्स में से जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर होगा उसका स्क्वायर, ओके, अगर बाकी दोनों भी रिमेनिंग नंबर्स के स्क्वायर का एडिशन होगा तो हम क्या बोलेंगे कि वो नंबर्स क्या है, पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट है. क्या है वो नंबर्स? पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट है. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे तीन नंबर्स में लेता हूँ 3, 4 और 5. ओके, सो लार्जेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है इसमें से? 5 है. सो आई विल टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ 5. सो 5 स्क्वायर इज 25. Then I will see the square of 3, it is 9, and square of 4 is 16. Okay, then 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 50, 9 plus 16 is nothing but 25. Okay, which is equal to 5 square. Therefore 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. In this case, where the square of largest number is equal to the square of remaining numbers, sum of the squares of remaining numbers, then we can say that 3, 4, 5 are the elements of a Pythagorean triplet, are the numbers in a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so this is the concept of Pythagorean triplet. Then another is 30, 60, 90 property. 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property. So what is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property? It is also taught to you, okay, in 9th standard. So suppose there is a triangle, okay, one of the angle is 60 degree, another angle is 30 degree, and obviously one angle is 90 degree. I will take this as triangle ABC. Okay, So according to this property, the side opposite to 30 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री के सामने वाला जो साइड होगा, यहाँ पे क्या है, BC है, so BC is equals to क्या होगा, half of the hypotenuse, so 1/2 into hypotenuse, hypotenuse क्या है हमारा, AC है, ओके। और क्या बताता है हमें ये प्रॉपर्टी कि द साइड अपोजिट टू 60 डिग्री एंगल, साइड अपोजिट टू 60 डिग्री एंगल, दैट इज AB, is √3/2, √3/2 times the hypotenuse, so √3/2 into AC, which is our hypotenuse, okay. So according to 30, 60, 90 degree property, the side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to 60 degree is √3 times by 2 times the hypotenuse, okay, √3/2 times the hypotenuse, okay. Then 45, 45, 90 degree property, what does it states? It states that suppose there is a triangle, okay, having the angles 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. So in this case, the side opposite to 45 degree, that means both the sides AB and BC, both are equal to 1/√2 times the hypotenuse, 1/√2 times the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is AC, so 1/√2 into AC, okay. So these are the basic points in this particular chapter, that is Pythagoras theorem. We must know what is Pythagoras theorem. We also studied Pythagorean triplet in the previous classes, okay, and we should know the properties of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property, and 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle, okay. In the next lecture we will be starting this particular chapter in a detailed manner. Until then, goodbye.